Hello, entrepreneurs. So for this module, you are going to pretend to create a product that you will, quote, quote, sell to your classmates. So you are participating in a virtual desktop stores day. And with this product, our goal is to create a persuasive advertisement to sell and attract buyers. So will your ad entice buyers to purchase your product? Using argumentative strategies and persuasive strategies and participating in discussions, you will create an advertisement that will showcase your product and showcase the persuasive strategies to hook your buyers in and hopefully purchase that product. At the end of the module, you will submit your desktop stores advertisement, and you will then put your advertisement into a virtual discussion, and you will explore your classmates' advertisement and select the ones that you feel that you were persuaded to buy the most. So have fun with this. If you have questions, let me know.